Hello everyone, myself is Dr. Shraddha Giramkar, working in PDES Anna Sahib Nagar Mahavidyalaya, Hadapsar, Pune. In this video, I will explain silent features of phylum Arthropoda, classification of phylum Arthropoda, characteristics of class Crustacea, class Chilopoda, class Diplopoda, class Insecta, and class Arachnida. Dear friends, please keep watching till the end of this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press like button to get more videos from this channel, and also share this video to your friends. Now, dear friends, silent features of phylum Arthropoda. Arthropods are largest group in animal kingdom. They are generally terrestrial, few are aquatic forms. They have jointed appendages. The body is covered by means of cuticle, and cuticle is always replaced by the process called as ecdysis or molting. Alimentary canal is divided into three parts: foregut, midgut, hindgut. Mouth parts are modified for biting, sucking, piercing, etc. Circulatory system is open type. Respiration takes place by means of the cuticle or gills or trachea or buccal. Excretion takes place by means of the green glands or Malpighian tubules or coxal glands. Central nervous system is ganglionated type. They are generally unisexual, oviparous. Some are viviparous, some are oviviviparous, for example, arachnids. Development is either direct or indirect, for example, from centipede, millipede, cockroach, scorpions, etc. Now the classification of phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda is generally classified into the 5 classes. It is a general classification of phylum Arthropoda. These classes are class Crustacea, Chilopoda, Diplopoda, Insecta, and Arachnida. Examples of Crustacea, it is prawn, crab. Example of Chilopoda, centipede. Example of Diplopoda, Jullus. Example of Insecta, say cockroach, mosquitoes. Example of Arachnida, spider, scorpions, etc. Now the characteristics of class Crustacea. Crustaceans are generally aquatic, some are terrestrial, and few are parasitic forms. Body is covered by means of the single hard carapace. Body is divisible into cephalothorax and abdomen. This one is the cephalothorax, and this one is the abdomen. Cephalothorax bear 2 compound eyes, 2 pair of antennae, and 5 pairs of appendages. Abdomen bear swimmerets or swimming legs. Excretion by green glands. Circulation is by means of circulatory system, and circulatory system is open type. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Development is either direct or indirect. For example, frogs, crabs, etc. Now, characteristics of class Chilopoda. Generally, they are called terrestrial centipedes. Body is divisible into head and trunk. Body consists of 15 or more segments. Then each pair of segment bear 5 pairs of legs. Pair of legs. They are called as a trignathic. Presence of mandible, first and second maxillae. First pair of leg is modified into poison claws. They are generally predatory and feed on invertebrates. Respiration by trachea and excretion by Malpighian tubules. Sexes are generally separate. Fertilization is internal. Development is either direct or indirect. For example, scleropoda. Now the characteristics of class Diplopoda. Generally, Diplopods are called as it is a class of millipedes because they have 1,000 legs. You can say it generally called as a 1,000-legged worms. They are terrestrial, detritus feeders. Body is divisible into head, thorax, abdomen. Head with 5 segments, thorax wears 4 segments, abdomen wears 25 to 100 segments. They do not have poison walls. Each thoracic segment wears pair of legs. Each abdominal segment wears 2 pairs of legs. Respiration by trachea, expiration by Malpighian tubule. Third abdominal segment wears gonophore midventrally. Generally, sexes are separate, fertilization is internal, development is direct. For example, Junos or is so called as a millipede. Now, characteristic of class Insecta. Generally, insects are successfully adapted group of animal kingdom. They are found in terrestrial habitat. Some are aquatic forms. One is divisible into head, thorax, abdomen. One is covered by means of the cuticle, chitinous cuticle. Head wears sensory antennae, pair of compound eyes and mouth parts. Thorax wears three pairs of jointed legs and 2 pairs of wings. Abdomen is 11 segmented. Alimentary canal is divided into foregut, midgut, hindgut. Circulatory system is open type with tubular structure. Central nervous system is gangliotic type with brain and ventral nerve cord. Respiration by means of the spiracles. Excretion takes place by means of the Malpighian tubules. Generally, sexes are separate, fertilization is internal, and development is indirect with formation and development of larvae, for example, cockroaches, mosquitoes, etc. To the class Arachnida. Arachnids are also called as chelicerate arthropods. Mostly they are terrestrial, some are aquatic. One is divisible into prosoma and opistosoma. Prosoma means thorax and abdomen. It wears pair of, so it is single eye, so it is a single pair of eye or more pair of eyes in case of the scorpions. 1 pair of chelicerae, 1 pair of pedipalp and 4 pairs of legs. Opistosoma or abdomen is without appendages. Respiration by hook lungs or trachea or by tooth. Antennae and true jaws are absent. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Development is direct. For example, spiders, scorpions, etc. Thank you. Thank you so much.